you see. I let you know that this right here is something you can have. You know I like the way you spin them ends. I like your new bend. If you need me to dance for it, it can be yours, it can be yours.
Hi guys, I'm back again with another video, and today I'm here for another bomb look for you guys to slay. And if you can hear anything in the back, my sister is singing in the shower, and she's also conversating with her friend. Yeah, I apologize for them. But let's get into this look. I know y'all want to get into this beat. I know y'all see the beat. Let me let you know, and then you see how beat this is. Like, come on, you see this? You want this? So if you want to get this look and you want to get into this, continue watching. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and put on your notifications so you don't miss out on all of this. And yes, we're going to shut up now and get into the video. No plenty of talking.
What's up? So we're starting off with our concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin Concealer in medium deep. I'm going to put that all over my eye. I'm going to blend it in with my finger, nice and smooth. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Blend it in with the concealer under your eyes. You want to make sure it looks nice and right and tight. You just really want a nice smooth base, and once that's done, you can set it if you want. But honestly, I'm loving not setting my concealer. So yes, that's what we're going to do. Going into these two royal blue shades, I'm going to pack that into my crease. I'm starting by just tapping and dragging a little bit, back and forth windshield wiper motions, but also I'm going in circular motions, and I'm just packing it all in. I apologize if you can hear the noise in the back. You know, my sister has some friends over, and they're just, you know, having a ball. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, I'm just going to pack that in until I get it to my liking. Now that everything's looking correct, it's looking nice, it's looking right, I'm going to go in with this light green. I'm just going to blend it in with the blue, going back and forth the windshield wiper motions. And then I'm going to go into the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go into that lime green, and I'm just going to blend that out, putting it above the other green and the blue, and just blend everything together. Once I'm done that, I'm going to go back into the royal blue just to fix the crease and make sure that it's nice and darkened. And then I'm going to go back in green just to blend everything out and just make sure everything looks nice. That's all I'm doing here, making sure everything looks right, correct. Then I'm going in that yellow to blend out the green. And now I'm going to cut the crease. And I don't really know how to explain this, so just watch and try to take notes. But yeah, cutting the crease is just something you have to practice until you get better. Trust me, I wasn't good at it either, so just learn with me, baby. Learn with me. I'm going into that dark blue, and I'm just going to darken around my crease. So I really want that corner right there to be really dark. So I'm going to pack it in that corner, and then I'm going to kind of shape my crease a little bit by taking this all around it. And now for my crease shade, I'm going back into that lime green, and I'm just going to pack it on. Now this lime green was not really trying to show, so I really packed it on like 20 times, and I didn't cut out any of the parts. So this is exactly how I had to pack it on, and it was non-stop, just packing it on until it got to like this bright green, and it looks good. Then I went back into the royal blues, and I kind of just packed it on the edge of the green to make it have that faded effect. Those blues weren't working, so I actually went into a light blue, and I packed it on. I didn't show that part, I don't know why. And then I went back into the dark blue to kind of darken the corner area. And now I'm using concealer to cut out my wing.
This is horrible.
Hello, y'all. Welcome to Olivia's YouTube channel. I'm Tiana. Add me on Snapchat, Tiana_Harris.
Make sure y'all follow Crazy Behind Tiana on Snapchat. But I'm just finishing up my wing, and filling it up and making it look right and tight and nice. And once that's done, we're gonna move on to the next step. I'm going in with this white shade, and I'm just going to pack that in front of my wing, stopping kind of midway, but it was a little bit more than midway. And I'm just packing that on until it looks really nice and white. And then I'm going to go in with these two shades, the green and the blue. And I'm going to pack it on, giving it this turquoise shade. It really doesn't matter what shade you put there because you're covering it up with glitter anyway. But I just thought this color was pretty and I wanted that to be my base for the glitter, so that's what I did. And you already know I had to pull out the NYX glitter primer, my bae, my favorite, the fave, the best of the best. And then I'm going to use that iridescence glitter that I got from Primark, and I'm just going to pack that on, and it's only going to be on the white part. So I'm just going to place that right on top of the white part using this tiny brush that I got like years ago and I don't know where it's from. And now I'm going to take the iridescence glitter, the green glitter, and the blue glitter, and I'm going to blend them together, and I'm going to pack that onto the edge of this wing, filling out the rest of it. There goes the blue glitter that I used, and I'm just going to pack it on and just make it look like different colors of glitter. And I'm just going to pack it on, and then I had to go back in with green because I just felt like it was missing green. But look at this eye look though, like I'm glistening, like this don't look so good, like I did a good job. Yes. Now for the brow highlight, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone, and this highlight was like gleaming on my brow bone, like it was just looking so perfect and so beautiful. Now I'm going to prime my face using Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And if you watch my last video, you know that's one of my faves. Like, it really does erase your pores. And then I'm just using the NYX Illuminator to illuminate my skin. And then I'm going in with the Black Radiance foundation to blend all that in. Moving on to concealer, I'm using this Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline to conceal under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, Cupid's bow, chin area, and under my contour. And then I'm going to blend that all in with a damp beauty blender. My face looks so weird here, but I didn't want my under eyes to crease, so I kept looking up. But I'm using the Airspun Translucent Powder to just set my concealer. Once everything is set, I went in with my cream contour by Black Radiance, and I just used my finger to apply it. And then I went in with my damp beauty blender and I blend everything in. Now that your contour is inside, you have to set the contour. So I'm setting the contour. Using the same brush, I'm just going to dust off all that powder, and I'm going in with that sculpting shade off the Black Radiance palette, and I'm just using that to dust it off. And now I'm going into the e.l.f. blush, and I'm just applying some blush on my cheeks and my nose too. And then I'm going to go in with that same green we used for our eyes, and I'm just going to use it under my under eyes. That's going to be my first color. And then I'm going to go in with the royal blue, and I'm going to put that right under it. And look at that, it's looking real nice. And then I have this blue pencil that I'm going to use for my waterline, just to make everything look nice and right and tight and wonderful. So that's what I'm doing.
glitter, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Yes, man. Under my eye, I'm gonna put these glitters. So the glitters that I mixed up for the wing, because I mixed the iridescence one with a regular green glitter. Wait, a light green one. This is my dark green one. So not the same light green one I put in my inner corner. That's a little bit lighter, but this is a little bit darker than that one. And I'm gonna mix them with the blue one, this blue one. Mix them all together, and I'm gonna put it on my waterline and apply it to my waterline. Or under my eye, I should say, not really my waterline, because you don't want to get this in your eye. Yes! Ooh, bitch, I'm listening. This eye look is freaking popping, yo. I got my highlight brush, and I got my Pansy. This thing is so messy, yo. Like, it's been making mess this entire video. Y'all see that? Like, okay, that's looking a little harsh. See, when your highlight looking like that, it be looking good, I understand. Especially if you like a lot of highlight, but you got blended out, sis. You can't just be walking around like that. Of course, I gotta get my lip liner.
Okay, come through with the makeup look. Yes. Yes, bitch. Yes.
I think I'm gonna go on with my pink Cosmo. If you watched my last video, I talked about this in my current phase, and yes, sis, I'm loving it. I was gonna do a glitter lip, but I feel like it's so much going on with the eyes, I should just do something chill, you know? So much on because I just love the way it looks when it's a lot. So I'm taking my Mario Badescu and we're gonna spray it up, baby. Oh, it tastes disgusting. So that was the end of the video. It just had me a little snack. I was thirsty, I was parched. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, you know, put on them notifications so you don't miss out on the dance. And, you know, show some love. Show some mad love to me, and I will show it back. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Libby.o. I will have everything on the screen, and it's always in the description bar. And I'll see you in my next video. Remember to be beautiful and love yourself.